Warning, this highlighter may be blinding. Hi, my name is Julissa, founder and CEO of Rizos Curls, and I am so excited to show you the Smashbox and Rizos Curls Glow Getter Beauty Box as part of our Jefa collection. I'm gonna show y'all how I achieve a glowy, bronzy, dewy look on the go and really quickly when I don't have much time, and this is all I need. First up is the Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer. This is what I use to make sure at the base. Look how pretty this consistency is. I use this to make sure I'm really dewy and it's like the perfect primer. So this isn't in my kit, but at this point, just use your favorite like foundation or tinted moisturizer to just on the spot, just put on areas that need a little bit of covering up. I'm using the Smashbox Halo Tinted Moisturizer in medium. The second item in my kit is the Cali Contour Bronzing Palette. So first up, I'm gonna use the contour and I'm gonna put it under my cheekbones a little bit. Usually you would have like different brushes for all of this, but when I'm on the go, I just kind of make it work with one. Next, I like to use the matte bronze. It's so pretty. Right on my cheekbones, right above the contour. You can also, I have bangs covering, but when I do updos, I like to put a little bit of the bronze around my hairline too when I try to look like extra snatched. Next, I like to use the matte highlight under my eyes a little bit and a little bit in the middle of my forehead. Next, I like to use the shimmer highlight. Look how pretty this is. So nice. I like to use this like above my cheeks just a little bit, and I like to use it over my eyes a little bit as well. Next, this shimmer bronze highlight is literally so pretty. I kind of use it as an overall bronzer whenever I'm trying to look like extra golden. So when I'm on the go and I don't have a lot of time, I literally just kind of like get a good amount of that color because it's just like a really beautiful bronzer, and I like legit just any area that I want to kind of make more bronzy, I just kind of go over it. Like whenever I'm on super on the go, I literally just do this, but I just use that one, the shimmer bronze highlight that I told you. It's literally so pretty, and I'll just like dap it over my cheeks. And now last but not least, I love this blush right here, and I just get a very little bit and I put it on the apple of my cheeks just to add a little bit of blush. So cute. I feel like I look so snatched already. All right, my hair is like in the way. I'm gonna put it up a little bit. I'm over here trying to be cute with my curls. Like, I can't even see. The third item in my kit is literally one of my most favorite items ever. I don't leave home without this. Is the Halo Glow Highlighter Duo in Golden Bronze. I'm gonna show y'all how beautiful these colors are, okay? Like, do you see this? First of all, don't mind my broken nail back there. In the whole world, there's no better highlighter. Like, I'm obsessed with this highlighter in these colors, and I not only use it for as a highlighter, but I also use it as eyeshadow and like literally bronzer, everything. It's so beautiful. I like to do the putty one. I just kind of use it with my finger, and then I like to put it on the inner rim of my eye. Do y'all see this? Do you see the shimmer? Like, do you need me to put a flashlight right here so y'all can see? Because this is on another level. After I'm done with that one, I like to also add a little bit of the powder. This one makes it like a little more radiant if you want to be like extra golden. So now for my actual cheek. So I like to be so extra with my highlighter. Like, I like to like shine it in people's faces. Like, I want people to see my highlighter before they even see me. I like to put the putty first with my finger, kind of just dap it right around here on my cheeks, and then I take my brush, okay, and then I kind of like just like blend it, and then just because like I told y'all I'm so extra, I like to take the other side too, dap it twice, and then I go on top over. Oh, look how beautiful. Literally, my highlighter is what people notice about me first. Well, my highlighter and my lip gloss. But honestly, like, you can see, people see my highlighter before they even see me. It's because of this. Literally, this is my favorite. I love it so much. My nail broke off. Do you see this? Dun dun dun! Anyways, show must go on, you guys. Show must go on. Next up, my fourth item is my Michelada lip gloss. This lip gloss has vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid that helps nourish and also naturally plump your lips a little bit. This lip gloss is my absolute favorite. Any lip liner base that you do, whether you do a nude or a brown or a pink, like this color blends so well and it enhances it and makes your lips just look amazing. So I'm gonna use it just by itself with no lip liner. Okay, do you guys see this? So pretty. I love this color. You need this in your life. Now at this point, you can add some mascara if you want. For me right now, I'm just gonna leave it like this because this is literally how I do my makeup on the go. But last but not least, so those are the 4 makeup items in my bag. But also in the bag, you get a $10 Rizos Curls gift card that expires December 31st. You get a Mad Libs game here. It's super cute and fun. You'll have to play this. The last item specifically is a Jefa Tote Bag. It's really, really, really cute. And last but not least, each box comes with a ticket to Smashbox Heffacon. Smashbox Heffacon is a digital business summit that Patty, Smashbox, and I have been planning for the last year. It's gonna be on December 5th, and I'm so excited to be there. I'm definitely doing a workshop with Patty, and we are going to drop so many gems. Make sure you join us. Let me show you my finished look. I forgot. Okay, so now this is my finished look for when I'm on the go and I want to do a quick little golden dewy glam utilizing my Glow Getter kit. Do y'all see this? Do you see this highlighter? Do you see these eyes? Super cute. Hope you enjoy it.